We begin with breaking news and a ruling in a North Texas mother's fight to regain custody of her son following a disagreement with doctors over his care. The Denton County case has gained national attention over parental rights. NBC5's Maria Guerrero has been following the story from court, and she joins us live. Maria, what did the judge have to say here?
Well, he did not mince words. This is District Judge Bruce McFarling. Telling Josiah Sanders' mother during his ruling that he did not find her to be credible on the stand, saying returning her son to her would put him in danger, before ruling the toddler should remain with extended family under CPS care for now. Jocelyn Sanders and her many supporters leaving court within this past hour, stunned and in tears. She was last to take the stand after 3 weeks of testimony. The state closing's argument stating she cannot be trusted to regain custody of her 2-year-old Josiah, whose health has improved after being removed by CPS last December and after a 65-day hospital stay. Sanders, who went to Children's at the urgency of her pediatrician over a rash, opted to leave against medical advice, objecting to an antibiotic, instead seeking an alternative prescription from her holistic pediatrician. Now, leaving the hospital, that's what triggered a CPS investigation, the third in 7 months for this child. Doctors testified was so badly malnourished that it caused this severe rash all over his body, swelling, hair and weight loss. Photographs that were shown in court. Sanders argues that rash was improving after an allergic reaction to a new detergent. His weight loss because she had just weaned him off of breast milk. Another issue here was the brand new CPS investigator who removed Josiah, admitting on the stand to making mistakes, including leaving out medical information the family provided her in her report and mistakenly telling mom she could take Josiah to a different hospital of her choice. We learned CPS does not need, though, a court order in an emergency removal, which this was deemed. Here is what Sanders had to say following the judge's ruling.
My heart was broken. I just feel like the wrong decision was made, given all the evidence that was presented. I want to tell my son Josiah that I love him and I miss him, and Mommy did everything in her absolute power to bring him back home to me today, and I want him to know that God is faithful and God will keep him strong.
Yeah, Sanders' attorney also saying that she is a great mother, an attentive mother who was entitled to a second opinion by state law. But for now, Josiah, again, will remain with extended family under the care of CPS. The judge also, by the way, ordering Sanders to receive CPS services, saying he wants her to learn how to properly nourish her child. Reporting live in Denton, Maria Guerrero, NBC5.